Tired of endless weeding? Here's my top garden secret: you can plant your way out of weeds. Some plants naturally block, smother, and even kill weeds. No chemicals needed. I'm BC, and welcome to Dirt Decoded. The trick? Bare soil invites weeds. So, cover it with the right plants and let them do the work. Today I'll show you 7 plants that act as natural weed barriers and improve your soil. We'll cover living mulches, smother crops, and more. No herbicides, no backbreaking labor. Let's get started. First up, clover. A living carpet for your garden. Clover spreads low, covering soil so weeds can't get started. Plant it between veggies or in paths. It shades out weeds and feeds your soil with nitrogen. As a legume, clover fixes nitrogen, boosting your crop's growth. It's a green mulch that suppresses weeds and fertilizes for free. Win-win for your soil and your harvest. Need a quick fix for weedy patches? Try buckwheat. It germinates fast, grows dense, and outcompetes weeds in just weeks. Perfect for filling gaps between crops. Just sow, let it grow, then chop it down before it seeds. The cut plants become mulch, suppressing weeds and feeding your soil. Buckwheat roots also unlock phosphorus for your next crop. Fast, effective, and soil building. Mustard greens aren't just spicy, they're weed fighters. They release natural compounds that suppress weed seeds and some pests, a process called biofumigation. Grow a dense patch, then chop and dig it in to activate its weed-fighting power. It cleans up weedy beds and disrupts soil pests. Mustard greens are a multi-purpose tool for healthier soil. Clean, feed, and protect, all in one. Want beauty and weed control? Plant creeping thyme. This perennial forms a dense mat that weeds can't penetrate. Perfect for paths or under shrubs, it's drought-tolerant and low maintenance. Plus, it smells great and attracts pollinators. A long-term living barrier for a weed-free garden. For serious weed suppression over winter, use winter rye. Its deep roots break up tough soil while thick top growth smothers weeds. Plant in fall. In spring, cut it down for a mulch that keeps weeds at bay. The tough stems create a lasting weed-blocking layer. You can plant right into the mulch, no-till style. Winter rye does the heavy lifting for you. For a gentle temporary cover, oats are ideal in cool weather. They grow fast, smother weeds, and protect soil from erosion. After frost, oats die back, leaving a mulch that's easy to plant into. No tilling needed, just rake aside or plant directly. Oats are a self-terminating cover crop that preps your bed for spring. Simple, effective, and low effort. Sunflowers aren't just pretty, they're weed blockers. Their tall shade starves weeds of sunlight, while their roots release chemicals that suppress weed seeds. Plant them as a border for a shady, weed-suppressing edge. At season's end, enjoy flowers, seeds, and a cleaner bed. Sunflowers are beautiful, functional, and multi-purpose. A perfect example of nature's weed control. Instead of fighting weeds, let nature do the work. Clover, rye, buckwheat, each helps you grow food and fight weeds. These plants build soil health and reduce your workload. Covering and enriching your soil means fewer weeds and better harvests. Which plant will you try first? Creeping thyme, winter rye, or sunflowers? Let me know in the comments. For more soil-first gardening tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.